Hello, hello, people. It's me, Raisa. I'm back with the SpeedPaint. Yay! So, I make a poll in my Instagram account, and people want me to talk about my comics. And this comic that I'm drawing is, well, it's not a comic, just a piece of artwork that's related that's related to the comic. It's actually Mini Sonic, but you know, he's not mini anymore. He's, you know, he's not mini, he's not small, but he's he's giant. And well, he can, you know, can destroy the damn world, literally the whole world. Yep. Sorry, I'm choking spoilers right now. Alright, I don't want to talk much about my comic because, you know, spoilers, lots of spoilers, but I think I'm gonna tell you a little bit, I guess. So, about this comic, it's Mini Sonic. I think I told you about Mini Sonic before. He's just turned small because of science stuff. And after he become sorry, I can't English. Become normal again. Another story happens. Yes. And he become a Godzilla. He's giant as hell. I don't know. That's how I make the story interesting. So Sonic just become giant, and his friend Tails, X, Amy, Knuckles, just trying to find a cure for him to make him normal again, aka small. The whole story is basically spoilers. Because, I don't know, probably most of you already know. Sonic is going to be, you know, red eyes, that crack on his forehead, and, you know, destroy the freaking whole world. Yeah? You probably already know that. Yep, we're probably doomed. So we're gonna be messed up. Pretty much, that's it. I guess. I don't know what to talk about. I guess I'll talk about this artwork, I guess. So, Sonic is basically giant here. Yep. And it's raining. And because a giant can't shelter anywhere because he's too big for he's too big for anything, and so his friends, Tails, Amy, Knuckles, and Sticks, just pull out an umbrella, their umbrellas, and just shelter him, I guess. I know it's stupid, but it's cute. I'm sorry. My brain is full of weird ideas. I don't know. I don't know. Probably this drawing's gonna be in the comic too. I know, because it's cute. Like, what if? Random question. What if Giant Sonic is real in front of your house? Like, he's like super confused, and you're like, oh my god, what do you do? Like, will you just run run or you want to hug him. I mean, killing Sonic. I ran out of ideas right now. I can't English. I'm sorry. So I guess enjoy this 4 minutes or whatever of SpeedPaint. Yeah, I hope you enjoy my talk and my stupid voice. Yeah. Okay, bye. Enjoy the SpeedPaint.